Hey y'all, today we're working on just a smaller project that I don't have to put too much thought or effort into. It was a very long week, so I feel like I just need something to relax and just let go of everything. So I'm going to work on Simplicity 8252. I already have the underdress done, and now I'm going to work on the overdress. And apparently that is called a redingote.
Redingote.
Yeah, redingote. So, I'm going to refer to it as overdress, but last year I made this dress using this pattern for Halloween. At the time I wasn't heavily documenting sewing projects. This is my absolute favorite Halloween fabric ever at Joann. Well, now that I have that, before I even bought that fabric, I had bought at least, I want to say 3 yards of this bad sheer fabric, and I haven't done anything with it, so I'm going to make the overdress out of that. I just finished cutting out the fabric with the pattern, and apparently 3 years ago when I bought this, and I bought it for this pattern, I did not reference the pattern to see the yardage that I should get, and I was short like an entire yard, and I did not realize it until I went to go cut the skirt pieces and they wouldn't all lay on the fabric. So I ended up cutting the back 2 pieces in half and fussy cutting them. So first it tells you to start with the darts. Actually, it tells you to stay stitch. It'll always tell you to stay stitch first, which you should do. I didn't do it, but you should do it. Instead, I went ahead and just sewed all the pieces of the skirt together because I was nervous that maybe there was going to be an issue with cutting it out. I had whole entire yard less, so that's a big difference, especially for, that's just a big difference, I don't know, especially for. So now I'm gonna go ahead this is the back portion. This overdress is basically complete. Everything that I'm doing right now is just extra cute things. Sleeve, collar. I found this sparkly little spider I'm gonna add over here on the collar on both sides. But right now I'm trying to figure out how to, I made these little bows to go on the front, but I still have to figure out how to make a closure, so I cut a piece of ribbon. I have horrible lighting right now because it was raining. So on the back of this, I'm going to, so behind, it's going to come across here, and I believe I'm gonna add just a hook and eye so I can easily get it on and off. And the backs are done. I'm not gonna lie, my favorite part of this is that it snaps. It just pops off. And I feel super fancy.